Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Casio Protrek watches that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the PRG 600 series Protrek watch. This model strikes an excellent balance between affordability and premium features, making it a strong mid-range option for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring tough solar power and atomic timekeeping, this watch ensures reliable performance and accuracy no matter where you are. It also boasts a suite of sensors, including a compass, altimeter, barometer, and thermometer, which are perfect for navigating challenging environments or tracking weather changes. Design-wise, the PRG 600 has a rugged yet stylish look with a black dial and green nylon band. The analog-digital display offers the best of both worlds, the traditional aesthetic of analog paired with the functionality of digital. The large case diameter and bold design make it stand out, while the nylon band keeps it lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. At 100 meters of water resistance, it can handle swimming and water-based activities, but it's not suitable for deep diving. Performance is solid across the board, with fast and accurate sensor readings and a user-friendly interface. At $224.89, it offers great value for those who want advanced features like atomic timekeeping without breaking the bank. However, the nylon band might not appeal to everyone, as it may feel less durable than titanium or resin. Pros include advanced features, stylish design, and solar power. Cons are the nylon band's durability and slightly bulkier size, which may not suit smaller wrists. Coming in at number 3 is the PRG 340 series Protrek. This watch is an eco-friendly and lightweight option, featuring a bio-based plastic case and bezel that reduce environmental impact while maintaining durability. It includes all the essential Protrek features: compass, altimeter, barometer, thermometer, and tough solar power, making it a reliable companion for outdoor exploration. Its 100-meter water resistance ensures it can handle swimming and light water activities, though it's not designed for diving. The PRG 340 sets itself apart with its titanium band, which offers superior durability and a premium feel compared to resin or nylon options. The digital display is clear and intuitive, and the deployment clasp adds an extra layer of security for active use. The lightweight design, combined with the titanium band, makes it comfortable to wear for extended periods and suitable for daily use outside of adventures. Performance-wise, the tough solar feature is a standout, ensuring the watch remains charged without frequent battery changes. The sensors are accurate and quick, providing reliable readings in various conditions. Priced at $226.99, this watch is ideal for eco-conscious adventurers looking for a timepiece that combines style, functionality, and sustainability. On the downside, the bio-based plastic case might not appeal to those seeking a more premium look. Pros include eco-friendly materials, lightweight build, and titanium band. Cons are the plastic case's aesthetic and lack of atomic timekeeping. At the runner-up spot, we have the PRW 3500 series Protrek. This watch is a powerhouse of features, offering atomic timekeeping, tough solar power, and advanced navigation tools like a compass, altimeter, barometer, and thermometer. What sets it apart is its exceptional water resistance of 660 feet, making it suitable for more intense water activities like snorkeling and diving. The bidirectional bezel is another standout feature, allowing users to make quick adjustments during navigation. The design is rugged and functional, with a black dial and green silicon band that is both durable and comfortable. The mineral dial window provides excellent scratch resistance, and the large 5.5 centimeter case diameter ensures the display is easy to read, even in low-light conditions. While its bold design may not suit everyone, it's perfect for adventurers who want their watch to make a statement. Performance is top-notch, with fast sensor readings and reliable atomic timekeeping that automatically syncs with global time signals. Priced at $229, it offers excellent value for those who need a robust, feature-packed watch for serious outdoor activities. However, its larger size may not be ideal for smaller wrists, and the silicone band might not feel as premium as titanium or nylon options. Pros include outstanding water resistance, atomic timekeeping, and durable design. Cons are the larger size and silicone band's aesthetic. Finally, at number 1, we have the PRW660Y Series Protrek, the ultimate premium option in this lineup. Packed with advanced features like atomic timekeeping, tough solar power, and navigation tools including a compass, altimeter, barometer, and thermometer, this watch is the epitome of functionality. It also includes a stopwatch, countdown timer, and world time, making it perfect for both outdoor adventures and day-to-day use. The design is a perfect blend of rugged durability and sophisticated style. Its black resin band and stainless steel case provide a premium feel, while the analog digital display adds versatility and elegance. The mineral dial window ensures scratch resistance, and the 100-meter water resistance makes it suitable for swimming and snorkeling. With a case diameter of 5.2 centimeters, it's bold without being overly bulky. And the stationary bezel keeps the design clean and uncluttered. Performance-wise, this watch excels in every category, from sensor accuracy to solar-powered efficiency. The atomic timekeeping feature ensures you're always synced to the correct time, no matter where you are. Priced at $380, it's the most expensive option on this list, but it delivers exceptional value for serious explorers who demand reliability and precision. The only downside is its higher price point, which may be a stretch for some budgets. Pros include premium design, advanced features, and unmatched accuracy. Cons are the higher price and bulkier size compared to simpler models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.